Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all the parents and students of Green Valley Schools, Metric and CBSE. Today I am going to discuss with all of you a very important information regarding one of the very important organs of our body known as heart. According to survey, it has come to know that 45% of Indians die yearly due to cardiovascular diseases. In simple terms, these cardiovascular diseases are also known as heart diseases or diseases related to our heart. Why do we get these heart diseases? Usually if we see, we get heart diseases due to obesity. That is, obesity means increase of weight, eating a lot of junk foods. Then the other reasons, main reason, diabetes. Other than obesity and diabetes, the reasons are high blood pressure, high cholesterol, and formation of more triglycerides. We have to know that if there is risk of heart attack for us, definitely even the other organs of the body will indirectly get affected. So, there are usually around 5 to 6 mantras or 5 to 6 things we have to follow regularly to maintain a healthy heart for us. What are the things? Let us see. First one, get moving. Get moving means what? We have to do proper walking daily. We have to exercise daily. Especially if you are a non-veg. If we eat non-veg, make sure or make a habit that you are eating non-veg either in the morning or in the afternoon. Please, I request to parents and students, avoid eating non-veg at night. There is a reason. Because usually if we are eating at night, we are not going for any walking, we are not exercising, nothing we are doing. Actually, at night, once we have a dinner, we sit together with our children, watch some news in television, or we communicate with our family, and immediately after half an hour or 1 hour or maximum 2 hours we are going to sleep. Meat or non-veg will not get easily digested at night time. Hence, I request, please make a habit of having non-veg during daytime, that is morning or afternoon. But again I am requesting, if you want to have at night, please have it, but after having the dinner, please go for a walk, at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Go for a walk. Or walk in your veranda, walk inside your house, walk on the roof of the house, or go out for walking. It will maintain good level of cholesterol and triglycerides in your heart. But if you are not doing an exercise regularly, if you are not walking regularly, then there is a chance you are risking your life to the diseases related to heart. The next very important point is, if you are smokers, please quit smoking. It's a very, very important, because smoking no doubt causes cancer, but also it has a very high risk of heart attack. That is, diseases related to heart. Then please, obesity is a very important reason, so please lose weight, eat healthy food, healthy dietary food like vegetables, green leafy vegetables, avoid junk foods. Sometimes, very important thing is, don't overeat. If the food is very tasty, we tend to have a habit of overeating. Please avoid overeating of food. How much we need, that much is enough. Because if we are overeating, definitely whatever energy is utilized, remaining glucose is stored inside our body in form of lipids or triglycerides. And there is a chance of increasing the level of cholesterol also. And the last reason is, please avoid stress. Stress or tension is the main reason for the development of high blood pressure and diabetes. Finally, the risk of heart attack. So I request all the parents and students, avoid stress. Be happy. This moment of life will never come back with families. And there are many, around 20 heart related diseases are there. Like few heart diseases, aorta related heart disease, valve related heart disease. Then we have pericardial heart diseases. We have pulmonary edema, to name a few. In my next video, we are going to discuss one by one what are these heart diseases, how they are caused, and how they can be prevented. Because heart diseases cannot be cured, but we can make a heart better. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Khuda Hafiz.